Hello everyone. Start off by taking multiple sheets of paper that are circular in nature. Now fold it over as such. After this, join some of the folds together and make the shape out of it. Make multiple of these. Stick it in a circular shape. Put a cylindrical shape in the middle of this and then stick it all around. Make it into an umbrella shape as such. Next, take a circular sheet of paper, fold it into half and then fold it over once more. Stick tape to fasten it in a space. Stick tape on top of each of these portions you have created and then afterwards stick them one on top of the other. Wrap all of this around a cylindrical shape and then wrap the bottom portion downwards and then fold it over. Next, we'll start off by taking some gift wrapping paper, fold it over multiple times horizontally, open it out and then join it all together alternatively as well. Before you do so, however, fold over one side of it ever so slightly. Now afterwards, fold it over and then spread it out. Take another cylindrical sheet of paper, stick it on either end of this and then afterwards open it out. Next, start off by taking a straw and then afterwards take some paper, fold it over multiple times, stick it together as such. Now make an entire circle out of it and stick it together. Now taking the pieces of the straw, make this V shape out of it, then stick the circular pieces on either end to make the wheels. Stick the seat to it and the handle at the top and there you have it. Take a cup and then cut out the base of it as such. After you've cut out the base, take the top of it and then spread it out. Make these diagonal cuts to it as such. Now make multiple slits to the top. After this, spread it out and flatten it out. Add the eyes and the mouth to it. Next, in order to make this, we'll start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally as such and do this on either side. Now fold over all four edges to make it meet in the center. Fold over either side of it to make it meet in the center once again. Lift outwards either of the edges. Now afterwards, twist it slightly and then make it into this triangular shape. Stick some of the pieces down as such. Do this for each of them. Now slightly buff it out and use it as a spinner. Next, take multiple strips of colorful paper. Take a circular sheet of paper, stick each of your strips to it as such. Now lift each of these upwards and then afterwards insert these circular shapes into each of them alternatively. Continue to do so and it should look like a little basket. Now insert each of them back down as well to insert it in a space and fasten it there. Now it should look like a basket. You can use it as a pencil stand. Next, we'll start off by taking multiple earbuds. Take these two circular sheets of paper, color them, add tape to it, stick half of your earbud into it as such. Add your other circular sheet to it, color them differently. Add a straw in the middle of this, then take some more earbuds, stick them on either end, insert this into a little pot of clay. Next, in order to make this, we'll start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold it into the square shape. Take the bottom edge of it and lift it upwards. Do this for all of the sides as such. Afterwards, reverse the side and then do the same onto this side as well. Puff it out and then once you puff it out, this is what it should look like. Press outside one of the sides. Now, fold it upwards. As for the other side, make a little star to it and stick it in front. In order to make this chair, we'll start off by taking this cardboard piece of paper, cut it out into the shape of a sheet. Now, cut out these pieces out of the straw and then stick them as the legs and the arms of the chair. Add it to the top as well and there you have it. Next, take multiple ice cream sticks. Using a hot glue gun, stick them one on top of the other. Stick these small pieces on the bottom as well. Stick the wings on either end of it and then this is what you should be left with. Next, take out an egg and then remove the contents of it. Cut out the top of it and then afterwards rinse it. Now begin to color it in any color that pleases you. Afterwards, take some tissue paper, insert it in the middle and then insert some water to it to make it wobbly. Now after this, add a monster's face to it as such. Decorate it as much as you like and there you have it. Thank you for watching.